Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and try on for this month's BOXYCharm. As you can see, the box is a little bit bigger and longer this time around. It's because I got the BOXYLUXE today with me and I'm about to unbox and use some products that are in this month's BOXYLUXE. The stuff that I have are pretty amazing. So as you can see, I am here barefaced because I do have some skincare products in my BOXYCharm that I wanted to incorporate. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm really excited for today's box. There's just some really amazing products in here. There's just a lot of stuff. There are 8 products in this month's BOXYCharm or BOXYLUXE. So yeah, if you guys are not familiar with BOXYCharm, it is a monthly subscription that costs $21 a month if you guys want to do the monthly subscription, which is the one that I have. So every month I pay $21 and I get usually 5 products in one box, and they are usually full-size products and they're pretty amazing. I feel like BOXYCharm is blowing up lately, so everybody is just having this subscription box now. I just recently got my sister on this subscription as well, so hopefully she'll enjoy this subscription because I have been enjoying it so far. But that's all that I have to say about BOXYCharm. Babbling on for too long now. Let's just go ahead and get on with this video. If you guys are interested in what I got on BOXYLUXE, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so I am barefaced. As you guys can see, I have some products here that I want to use. The first product that I got in this box is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. So it's this little yellow product here, which is, I've been dying to try this product for a while now. This retails for $49, just this little tiny thing. I thought it would be a little bit bigger. I'm about to put this on. As you can see, it's a little dropper. So I'm just going to put a couple of drops on my hand. And I'm going to put this, I'm rubbing it first. I like to rub my serum. Okay, I love the smell. It's really pineapple-y, so definitely there's some pineapple juice in there for sure. I'm also going to be putting on a moisturizer. This is also the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. It wasn't in the box or anything, but I like to put my moisturizer right after my serum. So I'm just going to be adding this into my face as well. I just recently bought this, so I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet, but so far it's really hydrating and moisturizing onto my face, and I feel like it'll go really well with the serum. So yeah, as you can see, it's really glowy right now on my skin. So I'm just gonna let these products like pretty much soak into my skin. I am going to show you guys some other products that I got that I can't put on right now. So I also got the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask from Dr. Brandt. Apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly. Dr. Brandt has some really amazing stuff. I've tried their cleanser, which is really good, which I also got in BOXYCharm. So they have some pretty good products. This retails for $52. What? This tiny thing? Dr. Brandt is pretty pricey though, so I'm really excited to receive these products in BOXYCharm because like usually I wouldn't even be picking up these products like if I were just to go shopping. The next thing I got is also a hair product. I mean, I could use this right now, but I don't think I really want to right now because I just really like to leave my hair dry. I'm just like that, I guess. But this is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. This retails for $29. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. I heard really good reviews on these products. I've never really tried anything from IGK before. I'm excited to try this product out. Ooh. It smells pretty good too, so yeah, I'm excited to use this. Now that the product is pretty much soaked into my skin, I am going to work on the eyes. I do have a Violet Voss Essential Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Really excited for this eyeshadow right here. So we have this tiny little eyeshadow from Violet Voss. Violet Voss, it does have some pretty amazing products. Their eyeshadow are really, really nice. I'm excited to create a simple look with this. It's a nice, really basic palette that I would definitely use on a regular basis. So I really like it. I really like the way my eyes turned out. I also got this Hank and Henry Lickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Just gonna shake it up, and this is $20, so it's just like costs around the same as like Kat Von D's. I am going in with this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil as a face primer. I am going to be using a new foundation today, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. So I've been really excited to try this one out. This is in the shade 250. Favorite Too Faced concealer. I'm really excited for this next product here. This is the Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette, which I've been dying to get my hands on. So this was also in my BOXYCharm. I did specifically choose this product as I was able to choose two products. Specifically chose this product along with the Glow Recipe Serum. I'm probably gonna try this shade right here called Princess Coat. Yep. This does retail for $45. I love that it has like different varieties or different bronzer as well. So you can choose the different colors. So you don't have to always use the same color. For blush, I'm going in with this tiny little Dandelion blush from Benefit. It's a nice little pink blush. Alright, so I'm just gonna work on my brows. Should I do this part quick? Let's go back into the eyes. I just want to finish it up real quick. Going in with these lashes. These are the natural lashes from Eyelure with Talia. I've been really liking these lashes for like a more simple look. Alright, I'm going in with the Time Los Angeles Highlight Heaven palette. I'm going in with the shade Heavenly. I'm going to finish off with some lips, and this is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, which I am really happy to receive in this month's BOXYLUXE. This retails for $22, and it is in the shade Angelo. It's a nice pink nude shade. a little bit too nude, I'm going to add gloss. This is the Alamar Cosmetics shade in Dolce. Just get a little bit of that. It's a little bit better. Let's finish off with some setting spray. Right, and the last product that I have in my BOXYLUXE is the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip. This retails for $65, so I actually did receive a curling iron in my box. So we have curling iron, which I will be using. Alright guys, I am back, and I did my hair. As you can see on here, I wanted to do it here, like do my hair here, but I'm not really good at doing hair, to be honest. So I just went ahead and did it. So this is how the hair turned out. As you can see, it got some curls on. I love the bigger barrel because I feel like I can create these more just more laid back beachy waves. I do have this code for Sutra Beauty. You can use the code BOXY25 for 25% off Sutra Beauty. So yeah, that is all, you guys, and this is all the products that were in my box. I'm really satisfied with the products that I got, but I'm really excited to try the products that I did not get to try on here and continue using some products that I did try on here, you guys. I'm really excited. I think the only one that I'm really kind of hesitant about is this lipstick. I just feel like it's really nude on me right now, so I feel like I look a little bit, oops. I just feel like it looks really nude on me, and it just doesn't really look flattering on me. Like, these are the type of nudes that I feel like don't really look good on me. That is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy this look, because I really am digging it. And I really like the hair. I feel like I can really do a better job actually, but this is what I got for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, that is all I have. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. And thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!